Hello, gym owners and managers. If you're watching this video, congratulations. You just set up your gyminsight account username and password, whether it be a free trial to mess around on the system to kind of see if we're a good fit, or you have decided you're a good fit, and welcome to gyminsight. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So this is the dashboard. Upon logging in, you're going to see your dashboard. And the dashboard is going to show you your new memberships that were sold for the day, any new guest accounts that were put for the day, anyone that was canceled off, sent to collections, account unfrozen, and their billing is starting back up, or if somebody's account started to freeze today. All of the metrics right here in front of your eyes and at your fingertips. Everything you need to know, the most critical ports of data for the gym. To the right side of the screen, you're going to notice your check-ins. Whether you have a barcode check-in at the front desk, a barcode door controller, or an RFID solution, this will show you all of your check-ins as they're happening, whether you're in the gym or if you're at home in your office. If you do not like this to the right, you could simply click on this door icon at the top with the slash through it, and it'll hide it. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing that you're going to want to do is click on the home button on the top right, and we're going to go into settings. From here, we have to put all your information in. So we're going to start up here and work our way down. First things we're going to, on the general, is the location name of your gym. The billing description is going to be what people see on their credit card, debit card statements. We're going to want to make sure your time zone is correct right here. And down below, how are you using check-ins at your facility? Are you using barcode? Are you using RFID? Make sure the proper drop-down is selected. And at the bottom, this is for your logo. To upload a logo is very simple. You just want to click here. You could drag your logo into the box or click on the box itself. Select your logo, and what we're going to do is we're going to basically crop this to the size of your logo. Every logo is different sizes when they're sent to you, so you may want to try a few different ones to see which gives you a better fit. But if you've noticed, like right here, we don't see it fit correctly, we can make it fit by scrolling down, and we're going to click the magnifying glass with the negative in the middle of it. And there we are. And that fits. Nope, I'm gonna put a couple more, and perfect. So once that looks good, we're gonna go to the bottom and click Save Changes. Okay, as soon as you're done, we're gonna click Save to save all of your settings. Next, we're gonna move on contact info. Here you're gonna wanna make sure your address, city, and state are filled out, because this is what's going to show up on your membership agreement. So remember to put the business email address on here if you don't want your personal email address on the membership agreement for if people have to email the business. You could pause the video if you need time. I'm going to go ahead and move on to options. From here, we want to make sure if you want people to sign up online. Now remember, if you're charging or on our trial, if you're on our trial, you're not going to be able to sign people up online until you go premium. But if you are premium, you're going to want to make sure that this box is checked. If you want past due emails to send out for people that decline, we're going to want to make sure this is checked. So if somebody declines on their dues, it'll automatically just send an email out to that member that they are declined. There's also a feature to send out text messages to send to the member, but we'll go over that later. Down here is automatically charged a down payment. If you're hand keying in memberships, whatever you put in the down payment box, when you click save for that membership, it's going to charge that. So let's leave this off for now, and we'll get back to that later. But let's make sure the other boxes you want are checked. Click save. Also, at the bottom, if you're using our calendar feature, if somebody cancels a reservation, this drop-down box will tell you what to do if somebody paid for a class and they canceled. Do you want it to credit the member's account? Do you want to refund the payment? Or do you not want to refund or credit? Once that's selected, you're going to click Save. And again, pause the video if you need. I'm going to be moving on to fees on the left. On this screen, you're going to notice first decline, second decline, and third decline. What these mean are if somebody's dues do not go through, whatever dollar amount you put into this box, it will be added to that person's account. And we recharge every 5 days automatically. So first decline, if you put a dollar amount in and that person cancels, whatever that dollar amount is, it will just be added to that person's account. And the next time that they're charged, and if it goes through, it will go for the membership dues and this first decline fee. Second decline fee, same thing. Third decline fee, same thing. Standard, I would say most gym owners, and this has nothing to do with the software, usually leave the first decline at 0 because people usually can lose a card or get lost or stolen. And then on the second decline, you may want to put a dollar amount, same with the third decline. But it's up to you. You can definitely charge on the first decline if you wish. Once this is done, we're going to click save. And again, pause the video if you need. The next thing I want to move on to is tags. So tags are if you want to organize all of your members in your system, whether it be silver sneakers, EFT training, boot camp classes. This is a very good way how to keep all of your members organized, and if you have to reach out to them. For example, let's say all of our members with the boot class camp is tagged and the instructor is out for the day, or you need to cancel a class. We can send a group message just for those accounts that are tagged that the class is canceled and move on. Or you want to pull up reports of canceled members with a specific tag, such and so forth. So tags can be very useful with the organization of your member base. All you have to do to make a new tag is click on New Tag, select the tag name, and click Save. And that's it. You've created a tag. Again, I'll pause the video if you need time to put in all of your tags, but I'm going to be moving on with items. So, items gives gyminsight POS functionality. It's not a POS system, but items that you sell all of the time, you may want to put in here, whether it be a bottle of water, an energy drink, a 3-session jumpstart package of training. We're going to want to put that in here. So this way, when we go to the person's account, if they want to buy something, all we have to do is click Add Sale, select the drop-down box, and click Next, and they're charged. So let's show how to put in items. All we have to do is click New Item. We're going to name that item. Select the item type. So since this is a water bottle, we're going to select Retail. I'm going to put in the cost of the item and the description. Click Save, and you're done. Now, again, like I said, you can also use this for training, court rentals, you name it. The sky's the limit. So all you have to do, again, you're going to click New Item. Let's say this one is for training. We're just going to want to select personal training on this one. Put in what it is. Maybe it's 10 package setup. And put in the description and click Save, and you're done. Moving on, we're going to be going to billing. Billing on the left is going to show you what you're currently paying gyminsight and the history. So if you need to have receipts of everything of how you paid the software for your CPA, this will show you that. Next one is going to be MailChimp. This is not going to be for everybody. For those gyms that want to have newsletters and send out and keep close contact with your clients, you may want a MailChimp account. All your MailChimp accounts are generally free. They do have paid versions of them, depending on how many members and the features that you get with it. But if you make a MailChimp account, all you have to do is find your API key, put it in, and it'll link your MailChimp account, and it'll send all of your user data to MailChimp so you can send out those newsletters. Moving on, we're going to click on SMS Options. Now, this is if you use our SMS feature. The reasons for using an SMS feature is sending out group texts. Maybe you want to send out a mass text to all of your canceled member because you want to issue a reactivation special. During the slow times of the gym, November, December, Usually this is a good option where I can just select all of my canceled members and put in a message where it says we're having a reactivation sale. It's only $5 to reactivate your old membership, and send it out, and hopefully the phone lights up for you. This right here is for the auto delinquency task. So as soon as an account is delinquent, you could set the parameters of when to send automated tasks. So as soon as an account turns yellow and declines, it'll send this message out, and you can edit this message however you want. So as of right now, it uses message variables. So you could see, hi, first name, your gym name has declined. Please call us at gym phone. It's not going to send those out. What those are going to do is it's going to rip the name from their profile and insert it into the text like you hand texted them. And you could set this for when the account turns yellow, when it turns red, or goes into collections. Click save and you're done. If you don't have an SMS plan but you would like one, just click on the home button on the top and go to SMS and pick your plan. Last but not least, we have documents on the left. So if you have any digital documents that you would like to have in the system signed up, and when somebody signs a document, it stays on the user profile nice and neat, so everything's nice and organized. Maybe it's a parental waiver or just a guest waiver for the day, a COVID waiver, anything you could think of. Just click documents right here, and you can upload any document as long as it's a PDF. If your document's not a PDF, open it in Word, save it as a PDF, and you'll be able to upload it. So to upload a document, all you have to do is click New Document, choose a file. Let's see if I have one on file. I'm going to choose a file again, and I'm just going to pick one out at random. Claude, I'm going to be using your gym's rules and regulations. So I'm just going to type in here, rules of the gym, and click continue. And once it's loaded up, we can see looks like this document is just a simple document where there's going to be a signature at the bottom. So all I have to do is click signature right here. I may select the date. And let's say I want it to autofill in the person's name. I'll click full name. Okay, so once you're done, whoops, let me fix that. Once you're done, you're going to click save. And now it's in the system, and it'll be waiting on everyone's membership. So all you have to do is click save. Also, if somebody's signing up online, we can force that document to be signed when they're signing up also for their membership. So congratulations, we went through settings. The next thing I want you to do is we want to put in your terms of service or release of liability. So how to do that, we're going to click on the home button, and we're going to go to applications, and then this box will be blank for you. So this is where you're going to put your release of liability. Make sure that's nice and neat in there, and we're going to click save. Down here on these drop down boxes, you're going to notice I should see that rules. There it is right there, rules of the gym. So when somebody's signing up online or in club with the paperless app, I can force them to sign this one plus that new digital document that I just entered. If you need help with getting Guru online, just give us a call at 855-367-4967. We'll help you out. I'm going to be moving on how to enter a membership. It's very simple. Before I do that though, if you have an iPad that you want Guru to display your membership prices, or a special computer that you're using to sign people up and you want to use the Guru application, you definitely are going to want to click on this Guru link at the top, and it's going to authenticate that computer to run the Guru application. If you want to customize Guru with your own background image of the gym, what you can do is you're going to scroll down. We'll pick the type of plan you want. If you want to change the background, just click on this background, and we could set it to any image we want as the background, and pick your colors, click apply. Once that's done, upon clicking on Guru at the top and you want that authenticated your computer, this is what you should see. And there we go. all of our membership options. So now I can hand an iPad to a customer that's asking for prices. They can click on their name and it just goes right into the sale. If you need help with that, like I said, just give us a call. We'll be happy to help out. Let's go back to memberships. We're going to create how to set memberships online. So very simple. All we're going to do on the left-hand side of the page is we're going to click on memberships. And yours will be blank. So all you have to do on yours is we're going to click new membership. Make the title for the membership. Description, what comes with this membership, maybe free Wi-Fi, 24/7 access, and a description, pay as you go and stop when you want, with whatever your rules of notice is. Now remember, gyminsight does not force you to use a 30-day notice. You could have up to a 2-day notice if you want to, as long as you stop the payment before the bill. You could even delete the credit card off the file if you wish, just to 100% make sure it doesn't get charged. But if you do stop the payment before the bill date, it'll stop the payment. So this right here is not pertained to gyminsight. That would just be your rules of how you want to use our software. All right, moving on. What type of membership this is. Since it's a month-to-month, we're going to select open-end. You have a few options. You have open-end, you have term, in other words, a contract, meaning you have to pay monthly from this point to this point, and prepaid memberships. Prepaids, you're prepaying for the year, 2 years, 3 years, whatever the prepaid wants to be, 3 months, you decide how you want to set that up. So for monthly dues, for month-to-month, we're going to set up open-end, the amount of the membership. Do you have a processing or a key fee? You'd put that in here. And if there's an enrollment fee, you'd put that in here. We're going to click on add-on member pricing. And this is going to be the pricing is if when someone's signing up and they click the add member button, it's going to add this amount to the membership. So if the first person's $25 and the second person gets a discount of say $10, we'll put that in here. If there's a key fee for the second person, put that in. If you're not charging anything, just leave it blank and click save. And there's our membership we just created. And as of right now, this is live. You people can sign up online. As long as you have your merchant account hooked up to the system and you're a premium customer, you can sign people up online. All you would need to do is take this link, attach it to a membership button on your website, and when people click on it, it will show all the different membership options that you've created. And again, when people are ready to sign up, they would just click sign up. And simple as that. As soon as somebody signs up, they'll get a digital copy of their agreement. You'll get notification of a new membership sale. The only thing that needs to be done is give them some type of a way to check in if you're using our check-in system. So I'm going to leave it at that. That was a pretty long video. If you would like more training, please just give us a call at 855-367-4967. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day.